I'm dreaming tonight of a place I love even more than I usually do. And although I know it's a long road back, I promise you I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dream. Merry Christmas!